Hey, welcome back again to Styrene Relics. Glad you guys swung back in. I thought I was done for the day, but I'm going to have to do this one. It slipped my mind. Got a buddy build going with Phil Horton over at Horton's Hot Rod Shop. He and I swapped out these two kits. The drag ray is what I had, and he had this one. We swapped them out. I see he's got one posted already for the drag ray. It's going to be kind of fun. We're going to do a buddy build with these two. And they're both kind of what-if cars. This was not a real race car, but sponsorship. But I kind of like it, and it fits in with the stuff. You know, I like to collect all the drag beer stuff I can find. It's not that, you know, I'm not a big drinker or nothing, but it's just something I like to do because they, you know, said that we couldn't have beer or tobacco on our model cars anymore. So it's kind of fun just to find them. So anyway, let's do a quick unboxing with this, and I'll show you what I got going. This is the Pontiac Astra, or you could build it as the Vega. So it's got the little bitty instruction sheet. It's not a big parts count, but it looks like it can be, you know, a little bit of fun. And so we'll try that. The decal sheet is pretty good. I'm going to build it as the Astra, so I'll be using the Pontiac front end and then the headlights and that. They don't look cracked. I know that drag ray one that I had, they were cracked up pretty good, but I think Phil's got ideas for that. So yeah, this is going to be kind of fun. The body on this is distorted Vega Astra. This was that time of year or time. Oh, when was this built? 86? I don't see it listed anywhere, but I want to say it was right around 85 or 86, somewhere in that area. But yeah, funny cars were starting to get a little crazy in shapes. So yeah, this one's gonna fit that bill real good. The only problem that I can see is I want to build it as the Astra, and the only back end for it looks to me like it's the Vega, because the Astra had tail lights that went this way instead of vertical. So I'm not going to worry too much about it. If I hadn't said anything, not too many people would have noted and caught that. But yeah, so I'm going to put the Pontiac front end on it, and this will be the back end. little bitty frame, a short little bitty wheelbase. That'll be fun. So it's a AMT kit, so should be a little easier than the Revell ones. So, and then the front nose piece, I believe this one is the Astra, and this one would be the Vega. So I think I'll be using this one. It's got this big wing on the back. I just can't make up my mind if I want to use that or not. We'll see. That'll be down the road. But it's got a nice rear end, two pieces. It's got the disc brakes and hubs up here. So that'll be good. Of course, it's got the race bucket with the no, there's not. I thought the seat belts were in it, but there's not. So there's a race bucket. What all we got going on here? This is cross membering. This is the the linkage for the steering. I believe this is going to be the bottom pan for the seat, steering box and that. This will be more bracing here, more bracing, so yeah. And then engine block, intake, and all the headers, transmission, oil filters, oil pan. Looks like maybe fuel pump over here. We'll see. Tins. All the tins are here. So this will be good. I like that. And then the headers. These are always kind of fun to play with. So I'll see how I can get these done up so they'll look pretty good. I'll have to sand them all down because I'm sure there's mold lines on them. Chrome tree. So there you have it. I mean, front end, the valve covers, the wheels. I know center lines were big in the day, but I'm just not a fan of them. Oh, there they are. The butterflies, blower hat, wheelie bars. So, yeah, it looks like the steering wheel, guessing weights, center link and all that. So that's going to be kind of cool. It comes with the 2-part. Well, what'd I do? 3-part? No, it's 2-part. Here they are. 2-part slicks. It comes with a 2-part slicks. But I'm thinking of running, this slick. It's a solid slick except for the back half comes off. But I'm thinking about running this because I can sand this line out and make it look a little bit better. It's just a tick bigger than the stock one, but I think it'll be all right. And then front tires are the same way. There's a 2-part plastic wheel or tires, and I think I have a set kicking around that I can use with not have to mess with those. Of course, the windshield looks like there's a little bitty scratch there, but we'll see what we can do with that. Rest of it, guys, is pretty straightforward. So yeah, this will be the next one right here. So, oh yeah, and I bought this a while back for this build. It's Tamiya's TS76 mica silver. I'm hoping, I've not sprayed this before, but I'm hoping it's going to be really good because the cap doesn't look like there's a lot of big metal flake. It looks like it's a small flake. So I really didn't want any flake at all, but you know how it is with silver, you're going to end up with flake anyhow. But this is very tiny, so I'm hoping this is going to be what I'm after, because I've got a little Porsche I've been wanting to do, and if that's the case, that's the color it'll be. Well, guys, that's it. I don't want to make this too much longer than it is, so that's going to be my next build coming up. I got to finish up that Rivy. I got a nice Iceman engine. I got to get that put together, so I'll talk at you later. Bye.